Look at you all, there's the old barn on the AT that was converted into a shelter. And they're getting ready to tear it down, I think, from what I understand. Look at this ball I'm on. Oh my word. Look at that peak way up there, it's in the clouds. Kings Mountain is back that way where they fought the Revolutionary War against the British. Okay guys, I'm on day 2. Heard a bear behind my tent last night. He didn't mess with nothing. He didn't even mess with my canister, which is good. Met some very nice people. Ow, the thing's starting to hurt my ears. Met some really nice people. Man and wife. The man was from Germany. It was